Hi, I'm Will Waters with NewTek, and we're here at the Roscor Technology Show to demonstrate the TriCaster TC-XD850 and NewTek's 3-Play. Both of these units are for live portable production at a great price point. With the TriCaster, we can bring a live portable production truck all the way down into this 4U rack model, and then with our 3-Play unit, we have 3 channels of high definition or standard definition, slow motion instant replay. With 3-Play, we have the ability to bring in 3 separate camera feeds and record those in a synchronous stream so that we can record and play back in slow motion instant replay. You can see our interface here works with, we would have 3 sources coming in, and we can operate into 2 modes. One of which being that our 3-Play operator can choose which output we want to be sending to a switcher, or we can set it up so that all 3 outputs will be going to a traditional switcher, such as our TriCaster TC-XD850. With the 3-Play controller, it gives us the ability to have a tactile surface to be able to switch cameras, to be able to infinitely control the speed of the instant replay, and also full DDR controls, as well as the ability to mark in and out points and be able to bring up highlighted clips. The graphical interface that we have for the 3-Play again shows our camera inputs coming in, but we also have marked in and out times of each point that we have in our replay. Across the top, as you can see, we can organize our clips into tabs very easily so that we can go back for highlighted clips. NewTek is proud to release the TriCaster TC-XD850. With the TriCaster, anyone can make a network-style production with that high-quality professionalism that we all look for in our video productions. Looking at the interface of the TriCaster, we have the ability to bring in 8 camera sources that can be mixed and matched from HD or SD, SDI, component, composite, YC, multiple levels, even cross-converting those to whatever output resolution we may need. In addition to the camera inputs, we give you network sources, which are computer desktop images utilizing our IVGA technology. We also have 2 DDRs that allow you to play back video that has been ingested previously onto the TriCaster. We have a frame store, a titles bin, and a preview window here that really we can switch to multiple sessions so that it works for a particular workflow. We also include waveform and vector scopes for true color correction with our productions. We do provide you with a full 22 input switch with fade and with DVE effects. But what makes our switcher unique is the addition of these virtual inputs. These allow us to do things like mixer effects, where we can take video or an input source such as green screen that we have coming in here and manipulate that into our live virtual set environments. This allows us to take a very small space and turn it into a very large virtual environment. If you look over in our other screen here, we also give you multi-viewer capabilities for all the various sources coming in addition to the preview and program windows. We can change that output so that it's just the program monitor. As you're looking at this and going back to our live virtual sets, not only do we give you the ability to have that static image there, but we also do virtual animated zooms. With the TriCaster TC-XD850, every input is both scalable and positionable. So if we don't have the camera lined up just right, we can virtually adjust or scale the talent so that we have the framing right where we need it to be. In addition to the live set technologies, we give you 2 overlay keys that you can bring in titles or graphics, such as lower third graphics, or something like a image with alpha channel to be able to position exactly where we need them. The TriCaster also allows you to bring in 16 channels of audio, either analog, digital, or SDI embedded. And that's all configured with onboard sliders and faders. One of the great things about the TriCaster is we give you the onboard tools to be able to stream live to the internet. And we do that by either using Windows Media Encoder or Flash Media Encoder. And it's very simple to set up right from the interface. Right under the program window, we have a stream configuration where we can choose either Windows Media or Adobe Flash. We have a litany of profiles that we can work with, ranging from very small window sizes all the way up to 1280 by 720 at 2 megabits. So we do support high definition streaming. You give your server information, maybe a username and password, and then you're ready to stream out to the internet for your at-home audience.